Hold your left hand over the volume antenna. Move your right hand.
Hello? You want me to go around Europe building more of my crazy musical instruments? So I've got to build it out of junk found in each city all within 48 hours and then play it live? Bring it on! Can I bring Cosmo along? I'll be lonely without him. Go on then, what's the name of the show? JunkRockTV. Let's go!
Hello, I'm Look Mum No Computer, and you're watching JunkRockTV. In this series, we're going to be kicking around Europe, picking up junk to make musical instruments out of course. Today, we're in London, the land of buses, beefeaters, Big Ben, and bargains. Hopefully, let's go. I'm here at Dave's house, mastermind behind Nervous Squirrel. He's a crazy inventor, kind of like me, but he actually knows what he's talking about. Anyway, let's go and see if I can find some inspiration for my musical machine. Oh, hi, Dave.
Who are you? How did you get in here? Oh, hi, Sam. Welcome to my workshop.
It's awesome to see where you work. Can we go check out the studio?
Sure, let's go.
Whoa, this modular synthesizer's massive, Dave. It would be a shame not to take it for a test drive.
Let's do it.
Whew, that got that out of my system. So what's this module?
That one makes music from a sample of uranium ore.
So this is radioactive?
Yeah, actually radioactive, yeah.
Wow. So Dave, what else have you been working on?
A musical pig and the alpaca sound system.
An alpaca on tank tracks? Woo.
There's another one that I think you might like to see.
Oh yeah? Not as furry as I'm used to. So what are these guys behind you?
These are the synth creatures.
Can we have a listen?
Of course.
Whoa, what's this?
That is a theremin designed in the early 20s, working on the heterodyne. So before you go, I've got one more thing to show you.
Oh really? This I've got to see. That's an amazing robot. Thanks so much, Dave, for the inspiration. See you later. I need a wee. I better call Cosmo. Oh, God. Come on, Cosmo, pick up. Come on, Cosmo. Hey, Cosmo, how you doing?
Oh, hello, Sam. Yes, I can't complain. I had lots of fun in Europe, but it's nice to be back home, you know. Anyway, enough about me. How's everything going with you?
Yeah, I'm all right. Just a little bit uncomfortable. I need a wee. Do you know where there's a toilet nearby?
You should really go see a doctor about your tiny human bladder. Let me just check Cosmo Maps. You're in luck. There's a public toilet just around the corner. Sending you directions now.
Oh, really? Amazing. Well, thank you very much, Cosmo. Ooh, that's giving me an idea. Yes! Check it out, Broken Bomb. Looks like the perfect place to find the main component for my musical instrument. A whole row of prawn cocktail toilets. That's making me hungry. Pebble Dash. What a lovely colour scheme. Turns out these toilets were already pretty musical. Anyone know where I can find the toilet around here? Oh, I like the colour of this one. I think we've got a winner. Excuse me, can I grab this one?
Yeah, sure, that's Sorrento Blue.
Sorrento Blue. That's lovely. Is it a used one?
I think it has had a previous life, yeah.
Oh, well, nothing wrong with a bit of history. I'll grab this one. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Which cistern do I get? Okay, this one. I have a match for a broken bog with my ideal toilet. A Sorrento Blue toilet pan, a lovely red toilet seat, and a white cistern. Let's make it flush like it's never flushed before. I've just got to Deptford. Time to go to the market and find some accessories for my toilet-based instrument. Let's kick up a stink. What is that? That's like the weirdest foot massager thing I've ever seen. That's great. Ooh, tiles. Maybe I could use these because they kind of go with the toilet. Couple of royal teddy bears. Let's add that to the booty. Got ya. I've just had a bit of a brainwave. If I use these portable radios, I can actually make a Theremin out of 3 using a heterodyne filter. Would you about 2 of these for returning? Would that be alright, man? Yeah? Why not? Okay, sounds good. Nice. How much for this one? 100 quid? Oh, very much underestimated it. Meow. Pink edition. Whee. Radio number 3. Time to make a Theremin. So that was Deptford Market. I've got loads of stuff for this machine, so let's get building. Home sweet home. This time we're doing the build at my workshop. And check out the lovely haul I've got for this machine. Ooh. You're probably wondering what the heck I'm going to do with all this junk. Well, let's take a step-by-step stroll down Blueprint Lane.
Let's start with the Theremin. Prolific Russian inventor Leon Theremin is responsible for its existence, along with the Rhythmicon, the world's first drum machine, the burglar alarm, really, and the Thing, which was a passive listening device planted in the US Embassy in Moscow in 1945. What? Alas, I digress. The reason I'm using free radios is because I'm building my Theremin based on the heterodyne beat oscillator technique. You essentially tune 2 radios to transmit the same frequency, and the third receives these after they have been affected by the outside world, phasing them together and firing out the resulting sound, which is made up from the differences between the 2 sound waves. Still following? Don't worry about it, anything's possible with hot glue. And because you don't have to physically touch it, it definitely makes the Theremin the most hygienic instrument to play while sat on the loo. Of course, every toilet needs an animatronic face. Surprised they're not fitted as standard. It'll have moving arms and legs which play percussion sampling. Not to mention the sampling flush. That's gonna be off the chain. And don't forget Toilet Monkey, playing down in the bowl. Cue some wonderful Regal accessories, and voila, the royal flush.
Let's get building. Open wide. Oh, looking good. This is a lovely doll, isn't it? Shame it would be to pull off its arms. This leg's not coming off. Right, let's give Cosmo some appendages. Now Cosmo's got some new legs. I hope he doesn't get the runs. Time to put some brains in toilet, Cosmo. It's alive! There's a few questionable stains inside this toilet. Let's get scrubbing. Ooh, they said I'd never amount to anything, but look at me now. Whew, all done. That's good enough to eat my dinner off. Well, they're not going to sound like that for long, because we're going to turn these radios into a Theremin. Dismantling can be fun. To make sure this is going to work without any interference, I'm going to remove all of the big metal parts. So let's put it back together and see if this whole idea actually works. Just the right frequency. Ooh, I haven't got a clue how to play it though. I need somebody to show me the ropes. Back in 5. I'm here with Lydia Kavanagh, Theremin extraordinaire. Please take it away. Where did you learn to get so good?
Well, I cannot say that it came straight away so good.
So, can you do sound effects?
Yes, of course. Actually, the theremin was the first electronic music instrument which gave sound effects in movies, for example, like.
We all know that.
Goes here.
But can you do a rev-in of a Formula 1 car?
Yeah, like this.
Oh! So Lydia, do you think somebody like me can pick something up like this?
Absolutely, definitely. So put your left hand over the volume antenna. Move your right hand. And try now. Da, 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 da. Yeah, why not?
Thank you very much, Lydia. That was eye-opening. I best brush up on my theremin skills. Stat! Let's go! Let's get spraying! Let's go find some leftover wood from other projects and get onto the frame! I'm adding reinforcement because when we're sat on the loo, we don't want it to become
a number 2.
Here. Well, it's already feeling like a throne, nice and comfy. Let's make it look more like a throne, shall we? It's time to get a little bit more regal. Anne Boleyn's gonna lose her mind over this. And her head. Ooh, what a damn fine toilet seat. You can see the indentations of the past owner. It's piping hot. I'm feeling pretty royal. We're almost there. Cosmo's getting drumsticks so he can play himself. What do you think the toilet, Cosmo?
Oh, I don't like him at all. He's very stinky.
Oh, that's not very nice, is it? I present to you the Royal Flush. Here we got a lovely theremin that is reacting between these 3 radios, making a lovely heterodyne signal. Up here, we got a lovely cistern by the name of Toilet Cosmo, who can also play drums on its head. We've also got a thoroughly musical flush. And then the best seat in the whole club, Toilet Monkey. Now, let's record this in high fidelity. Ooh. I'm here at Rebel Studios, and I brought the whole gang with me. Anyway, Toilet Cosmo, count me in. So there we have it. 4 different musical machines in 4 different European cities. I've been Look Mum No Computer. This has been JunkRockTV. Blocked again.